Can I make a Live Good video in less than 60 seconds that describes the comp plan? Yes. Okay. I want you to go to corydraper.com, click Welcome to Live Good right there. Okay. Go ahead and click Welcome to Live Good. Okay. Next thing I want you to do is put in your name and email address and just hit reserve my position. That's all. You're not joining Live Good yet. I just want you to get information about this opportunity. Okay. Okay. I got 30 seconds left. Guys, I want you to scroll to the bottom and hit pay plan or affiliate pay plan link. Okay. And it's going to take you to this web page. Now read about the opportunities. Okay. Just read about the online comp plan, but go to the bottom, just where the YouTube videos is with this pretty girl, and watch the video. Okay, this is the best way, guys. In 60 seconds, I got 10 seconds left. Please just do exactly what I just told you to do. Watch that YouTube video, and it so works on learning what the comp plan is. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Joincory.com, and that's my 60-second little tidbit. Take care, guys. Bye.